Got one about to land. Some low ones in the back.
And then a few.
They're picking up.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it slow right there? It is one. Yeah.
He's starting to turn a bit, but it looks like he's going away. We got any, or I shoot this one quick?
No, out front. Yep. Oh, he's already dead.
I got the one out right too.
Here, boys. Alright, I'm sorry. Shoot off.
Dude, I shot the other one too. Yeah.
There was one on your side, wasn't there?
Hey, Rossies. That's a juve.
I already got mine done. I'll tell you next year it's gonna get a little worse too.
He's gonna be so pissed.
Dude, we just hammered on these first ones. This
Oh,
guy
you got away?
been sitting on the other side of the spread. Then we got a little Rossi. Another one there. How you guys feeling? Yay. Freaking yellow gloves over here.
You know what? I see so many people wear these when they're hunting, so I'm gonna give her a try. 3 down with the yellow gloves, buddy. Come on now.
Give us an intro right now. Alright, welcome back to the video. We are out in the new field today. Came down, took a trip a couple hours east.
Yep.
We were out, got set up in a plowed corn and bean field. It's a little moist soil. You can tell we got a couple birds behind us.
Oh, I was thinking that.
They're getting up. We better get laid back down. Enjoy the video.
Oh my.
I didn't turn the speaker back up.
Nope.
Oh well.
Why the juice went back?
Three specks right there. That's a blue. We didn't even get them up. Oh, he's dead. Are those snares? They're Canadians, aren't they?
2 blues, I think.
They're Canadians.
Oh, you're right. I don't know. I thought they were them 2 blues that we saw earlier.
They weren't banded, I checked. We got some coming to us somewhat, maybe. But they're not close. They're coming.
Little update. I already forgot what happened.
We got 6. If I can count.
What happened there? Why them? What did we shoot at before them 2 came over?
A single.
Yeah.
We shot the single blue.
Dropped a single blue. Some of the group got up. Had a couple fly over us. Well, they should not have done that. They dropped. another stud blue.
Yeah, you might want to hurry up here.
Hey, come here.
We got just a few birds coming from out front. All right, we just had a blue land at the end of the spread. We're sneaking out to it. There's 2 blues right there. Oh, shit.
Wow.
We probably could have ran at him.
He was starting to.
I know.
That's why I thought he was about to get up.
We should have looked out my side. Those 2 were cuffed right there.
Yeah, there was 2 blues cup coming in the. Got up.
Bunch of albino chickens. Huh?
And then get back down because we got a bunch more. Did you get him?
Oh yeah, I tracked him pretty good, I think.
I just give it time. We got a lot of birds close.
I am. Maybe. Oh, there's a bunch landed out there. Well, they should jump over, shouldn't they? Huh.
Well, we took a break. We were gone for how long? An hour and a half or so. Went to check for some ponds at midday. We're gonna jump. Could find a pond. Didn't find any. Other than specks, we found a load of specks. Came back out. We were sitting here. I think we all were half asleep watching YouTube. No one paying attention. I'm sitting back there and I look up and there is like 400 snows at the end of the road calling to us. So we had about the 400 crawling. They short stopped in the spread. They were out there, I'd say, almost 300 yards. And they're probably at 125 now. They're closing the gap quick. And if they get in here, we're definitely going to ground and pound these things and try and shoot like 30 of them.
jump. This could get really good. You ready?
Yeah.
We all just flock shot. They're falling. They're falling. There's like 4 falling across the field. Get him, Jed. Get him, Jed.
Shoot him! Shoot him! Smoke.
We just flock shot the crap out of those things. There's 2.
We had a big old wad come crawl right over us to like 40 yards. They came over, we all just unloaded every shell we had. I think we have 5 or 6 out of them. A lot of sailors. We're on cleanup right now, and we'll catch back up to you when we got more geese on the ground. God damn it, albino chicken.
You guys aren't even loud enough for them to hear you.
I can't do it that loud.
Go now. Go, 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 go.
Speed. I am speed.
You actually got way closer than I thought you would.
I had to hurdle that speaker wire and slow me down.
Limit during conservation.
Yeah.
What's that?
It means we're gonna kill so many they're gonna limit us.
Okay. That sounds about right, dude. That sounds about right.
That's what I was thinking.
A few. It's mostly snows, ain't it? Yeah, the front was. And the back.
Why? I don't think
We're working too. Come on. Keep coming, buddies.
I don't think they like the sound, Wyatt.
Not best night.
Inconvenience, but you. Holy! You are a madman.
This whole group right here, snow is pure white.
Oh, my bad. I didn't
Mm-hmm. I know, I didn't even shoot, and then I saw him kept going. I was like, crap, I'll finish him off, I guess. Oh, look where we were yesterday. They're right where we were sitting. Are they Ross's or nope? Big ones. We got another group already here. 2 of them are doing it. The 2 doing it are probably specs. That would make sense. I think they are. Yeah, we'll shoot them here.
Give him a second, but I'd say do it. I'd say try it.
No need to be greedy. We'll get one every time.
Ow! Dude, see how big he was? His wing was like bent.
You should have seen me over here. I was laying on my back, falling over, trying to shoot him. I started sitting up and I ended on my back.
Right behind you.
Just come here. I didn't realize those were the front group of snows. I thought it was only the top ones.
How about them apples, son?
I didn't realize those ones were snows. I thought it was just the ones above them.
Oh, the back of that thing. How wide its stomach is.
Oh, that an interface? It's an interface. Look at your white stomach. That's sweet.
Mount him, Jed. It's the second interface shot this year, ain't it?
Shot one, yeah.
Shot one early.
We just made it back out. We were running late. Got a late start to the day. Had to run back to grab battery. But it started pretty good. What do we got? We got like 4, 5? 4, I think. Already got 4. Some juvies and a little blue. And there's a bunch of birds coming, so I gotta get sat back down. But hopefully you guys enjoy it. We're gonna get going here. My gun had a lot of dirt in it. I shot and got a full face of dirt. We're back in the Goose spread.
Joe, what's the scouting report looking like?
Scouting report is we've been here for about an hour. I've seen 30 birds. None of them are snow geese. So we're gonna sit tight and probably not shoot, but we'll sit tight.
Jump higher, a little higher. Now they're coming. Or are they? I don't even see them. Oh, really? Well, right now we are making a move. We are grabbing the cow line. There wasn't this morning. Scratched out 4. We got a couple ponds we know we can jump, so we'll probably go check those.
Why didn't you answer me? So we're going that way.
I don't give a
Oh, grab that sock.
Kirby, get out and grab that.
No way.
There was a sock right there. It's a silo sock.
Hold on, I'll back up.
Hell yeah!
Build the spread!
We got us a dick sock! We got us a dick sock! There's no steak.
Hey, we got extra steaks. Hell yeah!
There we go.
Oh, these ones are trash. These are trash.
It's a filler. Who gives?
The silo socks.
What I do.
We love you, Jed.
Where do I park?
Okay.
Do I just park right here?
Well, there are about probably 50,000 snows about a quarter mile that way. Things are gonna get nasty here.
I
Hopefully.
see here. Oh, it's on the top of my head. Should we get a quick 10?
7 yards right there.
Yeah, but
So now they're probably at 100. Kirby, how you feeling back there?
dude, are you clear over there? Like you can't be seen on the close ones?
I can be seeing the close ones.
Like close?
Like the 6 that were right
Oh,
there.
not those. Like the big snows.
Oh,
If
no.
those 6 get up, I don't think it'll fuck us. But then we get alert. Let's get another 5 steps.
We're like 50 yards out. Nice and slow though.
Pause. Let's pause. Let's pause. We just got that. And they didn't jump. Poor kids. They fucking love. We could things up with where we're at right now. I'd say we get. Do we just go this one? No. 5 more. Let's go.
We've put in all this work, we might as well try and just get it done right.
I say
This
we
is
can almost come in.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
There's no way these things haven't jumped. How have they not jumped? We're like 50 out, aren't we? If
45, 45. Do we just keep walking now?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. If we get to 15 steps, I say we just throw it.
No. So if we get to 15, just sit down again.
Sit.
Yeah. Dude, what the f happened? I'm not peeking this time.
Let's try and get 10. I say if we get 10, we go.
I say we just keep going. Just
Let's go. Oh, Jen.
we just keep going.
Yeah, throw it forward if they jump.
Alright, sit down here.
How the f jumped? You're like 25 yards, aren't we?
Should we just throw it and go?
Fuck, let's get like 5 more yards.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10.
Dude, man, we are at like fucking 25 yards.
Alright, who's ready?
Kirby, you ready? 3,
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Whoa! Dude, they didn't even get up.
Working down the line.
Oh my gosh, that was insane. We got some stud blues here. Oh. Oh my God. There's some all the way out there. That was insane. Hey, don't shoot him, I'll grab him. Dude, we got like 30.
They're in the other field. We can go get that one too.
There's still birds in this field.
What?
There's still birds that didn't get up. Half the birds didn't get up when we shot. They're going to those specks. Jed, they're going to the specks.
What?
They're going to the specks. I bet we got close to 30. Dude, we got close to 30.
Yeah. We got a lot more than I thought we did.
Cause I got like 5 or 6 right now. You do at least. Holy crap.
Oh my fucking God, boys. The cow blind showed. I'll pull my truck in the field. The cow blind did its job today.
How many you got?
I don't know.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Holy fuck, dude.
Dude, I don't even know if any of these are banded. I was just wringing their necks and running. I didn't look.
I just fucking...
Kirby, how many did you just set in there?
Shit, I keep forgetting to count. I think one. Just count them after we take a picture. It's a mystery.
Quick.
What you got to say about that?
That is the best jump I've ever been on. Usually we get about 100 yards out and they're gone. We literally, it was like 100 yards out. I thought we were about to get up and jump these things. We just kept creeping up there. We probably got another 50 yards on them. Shot them at 45 yards.
We might have been within 45.
I said 45.
We might have been within.
Oh yeah.
We probably could have kept going, but I think we wanted to get our shot off before they jumped.